ni abazungu abanyarwanda abazungu babonye gusa bo bakijyana ntibaribona babona Tour di Rwanda. Aho irushanwa rya Tour di Rwanda ryaririmbye abantu benshi baba bakurikiye irushanwa cyane. Irushanwa rya Tour di Rwanda mu karere ka Kayonza. The prayer of vehicle in Rwanda, they are traveling through here in Kayonza, where they face those people. They like this game. We try to convince everybody to concern what is happening to Kayonza. Here the delegation they've tried to explain that. I'm going to ask this Marcel, you man, how do you get this less?
This tour is a very sweet. It's a very sweet, very yeah.
It's very funny. So everybody is concerning to the race. So we're gonna to flow the next phase in Kigali. We invite you to please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.